As indicated by our in every way that really matters current Ethereum cost expectation, the worth of Ethereum will expanded by 228.93%, coming to $5,920.06 by end of 2025. All specialized markers for the most part show that the exceptionally current opinion generally is bullish, while the trepidation and eagerness list is perusing 26.63. And that implies kind of intense apprehension. Our Ethereum gauge, it's for the most part purchase Ethereum at the present time. On February 24, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while pretty different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall bullish feeling among Ethereum cost expectations incredibly. See the especially accurate Ethereum cost forecast beneath. You will know how most certainly much Ethereum by and large is exceptionally worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the fundamentally most recent 30 days, Ethereum has expanded by 5.17% in an unpretentious manner. Because of this, we can truly get with the exception of a genuinely slight recuperation in the approaching month, which explicitly is very critical. Toward the finish of February, the worth of Ethereum expanded by 110.54% and came to approach around $3,449.56, or so they thought. Presently, all markers sort of are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and eagerness file shows 26.63 in every way that really matters, intense feelings of dread. As indicated by our figure, this isn't the perfect opportunity to essentially purchase Ethereum, which is very huge. At present, Ethereum especially is exchanging beneath the 200 straightforward moving sort of normal in a significant manner. For the kind of most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA in a real sense has shown an Ethereum purchasing signal. The cost of Ethereum is at present running underneath the 50-day most certainly straightforward moving normal, SMA, and it truly shows a purchase signal in a quite huge manner. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $1,446.05 toward December's end. By December 2023, 2024, Ethereum's transient 50-day SMA essentially shows a $1,563.73. The overall strength record, RSI, force oscillator, is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital money truly is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, which is very huge. RSI explicitly is presently at Ursivalu. This demonstrates that the ETH market is in a nonpartisan situation in a genuinely large way. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Ethereum came to $1,663.75. When it dipped under $1,194.56. Interestingly, since January 2021, as indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Ethereum is en route to passing the $3,593.24 mark before the current year's over. Before $3,593.24, it might really break its characteristic of $4,891.70 in reach as opposed to prevalent thinking. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Ethereum will break its past all-time high of $4,891.70 and hold somewhere in the range of $3,497.89 and $3,593.24 soon, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. At this point, on 24 February 2023, Ethereum is exchanging at $1,638.43, and its 24-hour exchanging volume generally is around 7.63 B, and it makes number 2 cash in the entire crypto world. In an unobtrusive manner, Ethereum value expectation 2024. There is plausible that Ethereum can basically get through the $4,166.68 hindrance and hold the market toward 2024 in an in every practical sense, significant ways end. The least Ethereum cost will be between $3,510.29 to $4,166.68. And the most probable Ethereum cost will be exceptionally consistent at around $3,978.06 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Ethereum's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its Earth antagonistic energy use, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper essentially is adhering to his expectation that Ethereum will by and large reach $4,166.68 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024, which is very critical. Ethereum value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists anticipate that ETH will especially begin the year at $4,824.67 and exchange around $5,920.06. As per their expectations, this would be very kind of high contrasted with in every way that really matters. Last year, in opposition to mainstream thinking, this especially is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin, which truly is genuinely critical. Ethereum value expectation 2026. There is a sort of good possibility that Ethereum 2026 value forecast will truly twofold in cost. However, it in every practical sense is likewise certainly conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $7,412.89 level. Ethereum is anticipated to, in every way that really matters, arrive at a record-breaking high of $7,261.11 or $7,412.89 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of Ethereum. Ethereum value expectation 2027. Ethereum value forecast, or ETH, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it fundamentally can possibly accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap. Amazingly, Ethereum's cost essentially is supposed to generally outperform $7,412.89 in 2027 in an unpretentious manner. It has been explicitly anticipated that Ethereum will arrive at the greatest cost of $7,412.89, and the base cost is supposed to be around $6,299.48 in the following a long time from 2027, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Ethereum Gauge 2028 market examiners and specialists sort of say that Ethereum value forecast and specialized examination, Ethereum fundamentally is supposed to cross a value level of $8,537.78 in 2028. In the meantime, Ethereum for the most part is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $7,781.46 this year. Amazingly, the greatest cost might reach $8,953.91. Ethereum ETH value forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the Ethereum value expectation and specialized examination anticipate that the expense of Ethereum will reach $12,176.39. And the cost of ETH ought to reach $12,176.39 before the year is over, which truly is very huge. Moreover, ETH can generally reach up to $11,049.23 in cost in an unobtrusive manner. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for Ethereum development. ETH value expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Ethereum value expectation generally are supposed to cross the $16,795.94